Hello, everyone. It's Friday. And yes, today I am going to announce the winner of the cards giveaway. So, before I announce the winner, I want to thank you all for participating and taking a friend. The last giveaway was really easy for me because I only had to type in 15 names. And this time I had around over 90 comments. So if you tagged more than one person, you got more entries. And I know Shannon and a couple of others have more entries because they tag lots and lots of friends. So thank you guys for doing that. And I also wanted to mention to you guys the page that I made last night. So the daily deals and giveaways page. So I am going to be using that a lot more. When I wanted to use a program last night, a random comment picker, it did not let me because I wasn't using a page. So that is probably why you'll see me using the page a lot more often now. So please, I would like you guys to like and follow the page so that I can use it for future giveaways. And anyways, why don't we take a spin here? Let's see who the winner is. Let me make this full screen for you guys. And let's see. Shannon Stewart. Wow. Those lots of entries really helped you out. Anyways, congratulations, Shannon, and be sure to send me a message with your address so that I can have your prize sent over to you. Thank you.